Quick guide to fix HP printer not printing, step-by-step troubleshooting guide. 1. Power and connections. Make sure the printer is powered on and has no error messages on its display. Ensure the printer is connected to the same Wi-Fi network as your iPhone. 2. Restart devices. Restart your HP printer. Restart your iPhone. If possible, restart your Wi-Fi router as well. 3. Test the network. On the printer, run a network connection test from the settings menu. On your iPhone, ensure you're connected to Wi-Fi, not cellular data or a guest network. 4. Check for AirPrint support. Verify that your HP printer supports AirPrint. Most newer HP models do. You can confirm this by checking Apple's official list of AirPrint-compatible printers, Apple AirPrint Printer List 5. Use the HP Smart App. If AirPrint is not working, download and open the HP Smart App from the App Store. Tap the plus sign plus to add your printer. Follow the on-screen steps to connect your printer. Try printing a test page from within the app. 6. Test with another device. Try printing from a different iPhone, iPad, or computer on the same network to see if the issue is with the printer or your device. Still not working? Try these additional steps. Reset the printer by unplugging it for 30 seconds and plugging it back in. Update the printer firmware using the HP Smart App or printer menu. Look for error messages or warning lights on the printer's screen. For more updates, subscribe our channel, The Printer Zone.